Okay, today we're doing a tool review for an endoscope. So, some specs on the one you're going to see in this video. This is an industrial endoscope model P60. It has an 8mm camera lens, a 2.4-inch IPS screen, sometimes called a borescope. It's a HD 1080p rigid cable that's waterproof. It has adjustable LED lights at the end of the camera. 2600 milliamp hour battery. And again, it's good for inspecting, if you're doing automotive work, doing some remodel work around your home. You need to look inside of a wall. Need to look down a pipe, down some duct work. If you're doing HVAC work, plumbing work, pulling some electrical cable, etc. This one I bought at Walmart for $43.99 in 2022. Just a quick disclaimer. This video is not a promotion or advertisement for Walmart or any make, model, brand of endoscope. The camera cable length is on this model is 16.5 feet long. Woo! It comes with the charge cable, of course the camera itself, and it comes with a few adapters like a little magnetic tool, a little hook pickup tool, and it also has a built-in TF card slot. So of course you can actually take a picture with this or record video with this. And of course the user guide. So unboxing the endoscope. There's your owner's manual. Little adapters, magnet, hook, etc. And your charge cord, the USB. So it's a nice compact unit. Good construction, non-slip grips on the side. Easy to understand buttons, not complicated. Turn it on. Comes with the battery. And you can adjust the screen brightness. You can adjust the brightness of the LED at the end of the camera. So you can see we're looking at the box. See inside the box with the camera. So turning the power off, of course, we're going to do an inspection inside this gas-powered furnace. Okay, here's the high limit switch. That's what I'm going to remove carefully, and that's where I'll gain access with my endoscope to look up inside the heat exchanger and up inside at the evaporator coil. So there's just two little screws, and that high limit switch, just simply gently pull it out, set it aside. Trying my best to stay out of the way so you can see what I'm doing. And again, the power is off. To be extra safe, you can even turn your gas valve off. You see up there on the left-hand side. So there's your high limit switch. I even leave it plugged in. I'm just going to gently set it to the side. And now I can gain access right through that hole with my endoscope.
Wow.
Just turn it on, it's ready to go. The cable is flexible, but it has enough stiffness that you can form it into a 90-degree bend. That's a nice thing about the cable. So again, there's looking inside the heat exchanger, at the burner tubes, etc. Checking for cracks or holes in the heat exchanger. Then you look up farther, and we can look up and see the coil to see if it's damaged or dusty, dirty, etc. If it needs to be cleaned or not. Trying to find you a better angle. Again, still looking at the heat exchanger there. Now this isn't a high efficiency furnace, so I don't have the primary and secondary heat exchangers. There's only the one heat exchanger. On a high efficiency furnace, there's going to be another heat exchanger that's going to get in your way, and you probably won't be able to see your evaporator coil. So keep that in mind. There's a better view of the coil. Woo! You can see it's nice and clean. It's not damaged. Evaporator coil looks good. Sometimes also called an A coil because it's shaped like a capital A. And be careful with the fins on your coils. They're very delicate, so don't go jamming the camera against the fins. You don't want to bend the fins on your coil. I think you get the idea. Also, with the power off, we're going to inspect the blower motor and the blower wheel. Again, we're looking for excessive dust, buildup of dirt and debris on the motor, the blower wheel, burnt wires, etc. And you can see that this blower wheel is nice and clean. It's not coated with dust and debris. So we're checking around the blower wheel. So yeah, everything looks good.
Wow.
I hope this information helps. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment for future video topics you would like me to cover. Thanks for watching.